Peter, I don't think...
Shh, it's starting.
The ring, it chose you.
Welcome back, friends. Today we're going to be making a Green Lantern ring, and I guarantee you it's going to suck less than the movie.
Really?
Sorry, Ryan. Now, what does this ring look like? Let's take a look at a clip. Alright, how do we start this? So we're going to have a circle where your finger's going to go into, then you're going to have the top of the Green Lantern emblem going, and then some kind of light in the center, right? What did I just draw? Smiley face. Alright, Picasso, let's get serious here. So we got a Green Lantern symbol, something like this. Alright, don't make fun of my artwork here. And the center is going to light up. So now we're going to have a circle where your finger's going to go, some kind of thickness. I know this is terrible, bear with me. Don't go anywhere. And gonna have some kind of fillet, some radius going up, so it's gonna be extrusion, and then from the top, that's what it's gonna look like. Kind of like that. So for the light source, we're gonna use one of our LEDs here. So we'll pick green. We have an anode, cathode. We're gonna run the wires down around, somehow embed it into the ring. And then some kind of power source. So tiny little batteries, probably watch batteries. And of course, we're gonna need some kind of resistor. All right. So now we take it to SolidWorks, where I have this rendered in 3D and sectioned off so I can explain this to you. So I have 3 areas for the batteries to go into. These are tiny watch batteries. They're gonna be 1.5 volts connected in series, giving 4.5 volts. Here we're gonna press in a LED, and the bottom of the LED is going to have a little flange that's going to sit right up against it, so it'll bottom out. This side is going to go for the cathode, which is the negative side, so we're going to connect a resistor around here and then run the wire down, and then we're going to cut here. Then we're going to put a small piece of wire connecting to the bottom of the next, and so on. And on the other end, it's going to be the anode, so the positive side, and that's going to run down this way and touch the top of the coin battery. We can have a complete circuit. And now the way it looks from the outside, just like we were talking about before, where we have the Green Lantern symbol and these radiuses, and it looks like a ring. Great. All right, let's print it. And there you go. We got the LED right in there. Then we have the resistor and the line going across around the ring, just like so. Then you got the 3 batteries in series. And how I did it in series, I just alternated the connection. So it's basically flowing like this and around. And it's activated once you put your finger in there. Basically, you end up pushing one of the leads in there, and voila. So, what'd you guys think? Pretty straightforward, huh? Came out nice. Simple concept. If you like this build, give us a thumbs up, especially because I didn't put you through 2 hours, just like the movie. And if you have any ideas for future builds or designs or anything else, put in a comment below. See you next one. Bye.